Fuel pump overhaul procedure. B&W diesel AS6S60MC-C. Preparation. Tilt the fuel pump housing into a horizontal position on wooden planks. Remove the screws and the bottom plate. If stuck, loosen with M10 by 70 mm screws. Initial dismantling. Remove fuel index arm, sleeve, regulating guide. Further dismantling. Remove guide screw, VIT index arm, timing guide. Inspect plug screws on both sides. Replace if eroded. Fit new sealing rings. Cleaning. Clean all parts in diesel oil/kerosene. Blow dry with compressed air. Mount new sealing rings on unions. Soak sealing rings in lubricating oil before mounting. Clean inside surfaces of housing. Lubrication. Apply molybdenum disulfide, MOS2, to internal machined surfaces, sliding surfaces of regulating and timing systems, teeth of guides and arms. Mounting. Alignment. Mount VIT index and guide screw. Align the scratch mark with the housing center. Mount timing guide. Align scratch marks with the VIT index arm. Mount sleeve. Align the notch with the pinhole. Mounting continued. Mount fuel index arm. Align the scratch mark with the housing center. Mount regulating guide. Align scratch marks with the fuel index arm. Mount the bottom plate. Final assembly. Mount the fuel pump shock absorber. Mount the actuator and actuator bracket. Fuel pump mounting. Clean and lubricate sliding faces and threads. Molykote D3, 21R or MOS2. Lower the housing onto the pump base carefully. Tighten nuts. Torque/angle per data. Connect the fuel oil inlet pipe. Mount barrel assembly. Procedure 909-6.4. Mount top cover. Procedure 909-5.4. Mount puncture valve. Procedure 909-8.4. Connect the drain oil and compressed air pipes.